Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Loopring price prediction and Loopring news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Loopring in 2022. Loopring is an Ethereum token. It is described by its creators as an open source, non-custodial auditable exchange protocol. With it, any user will be able to create non-custodial order book exchanges based on Ethereum using zero-knowledge proofs. In 2020, the average daily trading volume across the entire cryptocurrency market fluctuated roughly in the $50-200 million range. Most of this trading takes place on centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. These are online platforms operated by private companies that store user funds and facilitate the matching of buy and sell orders. The intended goal of Loopring is to combine centralized order matching with decentralized order settlement on the blockchain into a hybrid product that takes the best from both centralized and decentralized exchanges. The founder and current CEO of the Loopring Foundation, which manages the development of the Loopring protocol, is Daniel Wang, a software engineer and entrepreneur based in Shanghai. Now we will tell you news about Loopring cryptocurrency, holding LRC for long term, assessing if it's an investment opportunity or gamble. In the past few months, the fortunes of many of the assets in the crypto sphere have not been particularly promising on the charts. Bitcoin and Ethereum have led the game of musical chairs, with smaller participants such as Loopring seeing massive gains in the process. However, these smaller coins have also been bleeding on the charts for a while now. Loopring sat at an area that offered an interesting risk-to-reward opportunity, but things could quickly go south. The price has been in a downtrend since December. It has flipped multiple longer-term support levels to resistance on the way south. At $1.23 lay the latest of the series of lower highs that LRC has posted on its downtrend. This was the level bulls would need to flip to support to show that the market has shifted to a bullish bias. At 74 cents lay a long-term support level that has been tested for demand over the past month. The price did see a bounce and post a lower high, as already mentioned, at $1.23. However, this bounce was relatively weak, and early March saw an even weaker bounce to graze 81 cents before dropping. Since repeated tests of a level weakened it, it was likely that LRC would be headed further south in search of liquidity in the weeks to come. The RSI has formed an exaggerated bullish divergence in the past couple of weeks. This type of divergence is a weak one, and is unlikely to change the overall trend. It could see LRC bounce towards $0.9. The DMI showed a strong bearish trend in progress with both the DAI, red, and the ADX, yellow, above 20. The OBV has been declining in recent weeks as well. It pales in comparison to the volume of November, but it did highlight that steady selling has dominated the past 3 weeks. So next news. Loopring could see further losses as sellers were too strong at a crucial juncture. Using the swing high and swing low at $1.1 and $0.878, a set of Fibonacci retracement levels, yellow, was plotted. Earlier this week, the 50% retracement level at $0.99 had acted as resistance, and the price was rejected from 99 cents. For a brief time, the 93 cents area, red box, acted as a demand zone, but the bulls in this area were quickly exhausted. Subsequently, the price retested this area from below to confirm its flip to a supply zone. This suggested that the 92 cents 93 cents area, even on a retest, would likely still be dominated by sell orders. A bullish scenario would be a weekend move above $0.93 for LRC, but this was unlikely as demand was not really present. The more likely scenario for LRC in the days to come was a move lower to the 81 cent support level. This level was also the 27.2% Fibonacci extension level. The RSI poked its head above the neutral 50 lines timidly, while the oscillations for many of the altcoins, many cryptos may tend to rebound with huge intensity. Some altcoins tend to flip the bearish divergence quickly and recover more than 50% loss in just a couple of days. And below mentioned are some of the altcoins belonging to this group. LOOPRING, LRC. The LRC trading volume had dried up significantly from the past week or 10 days. However, the selling volume aggravated since the early trading hours, which clearly signified the traders held the asset amid the previous sell-off. However, the asset is approaching the apex of the consolidation, and may either rebound or maintain a notable consolidation for some time. FANTOM, FTM, the phantom price had maintained a notable uptrend since the mid of 2021, and traded above the trend line, showcasing the strength of the rally. However, the price sliced through the trend line and headed towards the south. Currently no signs of a rebound is witnessed, but amid any crash, the asset quickly rebounds after a minor consolidation. Therefore, the FTM price may accumulate gains and quickly rebound, ranging higher once the market trend turns slightly bullish. Theta after the recent slash is testing one of the crucial support levels that it flipped a couple of days before, and hence may form a double bottom pattern which could raise the price to some extent and test the neckline at $4.29. Once these levels are tested and cleared finally, a major uptrend could be imminent. However, the pattern would become invalid if the price closes the price below the current support levels. Yet the asset may rebound quickly, defeating the bears. Curve Dow, CRV, the CURV, Dow, price has also plunged to its lowest ever levels for the first time in the past 6 months, and hence signifies some sort of a bearish trend that may drag the asset to its initial levels below $1. However, with each plunge towards the support levels, the asset has risen significantly, and hence a similar flip may be fast approaching as the market initiates to stabilize a little. The GRT, the graph token is trending within a depleting channel for quite a long time, and hence testing all the support levels. The GRT price was primed for a rebound a couple of days before, but the uncertain environment compelled the price to hover below the crucial support levels. After slicing through important support levels, the price may discover new lows quickly and attempt to rebound, which is due for a long time. Collectively, the crypto space may continue to be pretty much uncertain for the next couple of days, and hence could stabilize somewhere by the end of February or in March 2022. Once Bitcoin price flips strongly, most of the altcoins tend to follow the star crypto and reverse the trend firmly. The next news, crypto market shed $200 billion on Russia-Ukraine conflict, Market Watch. After yesterday's brief recovery attempts, Bitcoin nosedived once again following the conflict escalation between Russia and Ukraine, and dumped to just over $34,000. Most altcoins suffered even more, with substantial double-digit losses evident from the majority. Bitcoin plummeted to a monthly low. All eyes are now on the rapidly escalating tension between Russia and Ukraine. Following several weeks of threats and so-called military trainings, the world's largest country by landmass did what many expected was just a matter of time and launched an invasion, still labeled as a special military operation. Will reports showcase how Russian troops and military vehicles enter Ukraine through the border with Belarus. Loopring price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Since 2022 is just getting started, this is the perfect moment for some predictions. Any altcoin should be valued in the context of the overall market climate and performance of Bitcoin. Loopring price prediction 2022. In 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Loopring will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach $1.20 in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $1.02, with a maximum price of $1.20 for 2022. LRC Price Prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new year. We are confident that the long-term price outlook for the LRC will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will get a lot more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $1.47 and a minimum bid of $1.43. The maximum bid is expected to be around $1.69. LRC Price Prediction 2024. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Loopring will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2024, LRC is expected to peak at